Just got this pack in the mail today from Ricoh Imaging Europe. It's a nice big box, 4.5 kilos. I've got no idea what's in here. So let's find out. Open her up. What's going to be in here? Figure a way how to get in there. Oh. There we go. Oh no, hang on a second. It's a big box. Ah. Let's see. So, got some papers there about returning or something. Anyway, got all this plastic in there. Oh, my God. Oh. Look at that. The Pentax HD DFA 70 to 200 lens. Check this out. Brand spanking new. Got some strap in there. Huge, my God, weighs a ton. Got this huge case that comes with it. I basically need this lens for Patagonia for those intimate close-ups in the mountains, and so I spoke to the guys at Pentax Europe, and we got something sorted out for the trip. My God, this is huge. I think I'm going to have to get a new tripod for this. And here we have it. Wow, beautiful. The Pentax DFA 70 to 200 lens. Looks amazing. Weighs an absolute ton. My God, really looking forward to use this. Yeah. I'll get back to you soon. Thanks.